All right, Mr. Nick. Do you have the magic touch back?
Maybe. They know the people that put the cubes in, the characters in the cubes, I think they know that I'm gonna go to the first because I always pick the last and they're making me wait. So that's why I'm picking the last.
Okay. Sure there's some logic in there.
Yeah. So I think they put it in the first one and then in the back.
Okay. Let's see if your plan worked.
The plan was, they know I'm gonna go for the back.
And
No.
common Tila that I am sure we have by now.
Have we opened her? Common?
I don't know. But we have to have a common Tila by now, don't we?
Open?
Well, I mean, just let's see. Open. No.
Ooh!
No. No Tila is open.
Alright.
So let's go down now and see where are the Tilas. Ah, we have 3. So there we go.
I guess I don't have the magic touch.
All right. Well, we can open this one up and check her out. Let's see. Ah, she grabbed the sword before she jumped out and stabbed the ground. That's cool. All right.
Can I control her this time?
Yeah. Okay, so here, remember? W, forward, S, back, A and D, turn. Ah, but no sword, right? They don't have accessories. So Trapjaw's arm is not an accessory like a sword. It's part of him. Because when they have accessories like swords and things like that, they don't bring them.
No. Attack! She's not quite.
Because of her hair, her head looks so big.
Yeah. Like, they all sound like kids.
They do. All right. Pretty cool. So there you go. All right. Now we have another Tila. Oh, we have another one that we've opened.
Hi, big head lady.
Big head lady.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. From the Masters of the Universe, right? He-Man, Tila, Skeletor, Trapjaw. We got a bunch.
We forgot to look at her serial number.
It wasn't super low.
Oh.
I saw it as we went by.
It was like 300.
No. It's much higher than that. That would have been low. This was 3,000.
Oh.
Yeah. So there we go. All right. 2 more to go. Let's see what's hiding in those last 2. Maybe we can finally uncover something that we don't have so far. We'll see soon enough.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. See you guys for the next one.